So here is the best AI trading software tool right now. In this video, we will be using Intellectia AI, which is an advanced AI-powered trading and market analysis platform designed to help you make smarter, data-driven trading decisions. It uses real-time data, AI insights, and automation tools to give traders a serious edge in today's fast-moving markets. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, click on the link below to get access to Intellectia AI for 7 days for only $1 using my link, so you can test everything yourself while we go through the platform together. So after clicking the link, you'll be redirected to the Intellectia.ai website. On the top here, you'll get to see all of these options. Let's first start with checking out the pricing plans. So on the pricing page, you will get to see all the plans that they offer, starting with Basic, Pro, Max, and Expert. And if you go to my link, you will get 7 days trial for $1 for all of them. So now, let's start by clicking on Get Started on the top right corner. Over here, you can sign up using Google, Twitter, Facebook, or Microsoft. I will go with Google. Then choose your account from the options and scroll down, then click on Continue. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So for the onboarding, you need to answer which investment strategy do you prefer. Select the relevant answer from the options. After that, what is your available investment fund? After choosing your answer, you'll be redirected to this page. Now, let's go to the home page of Intellectia.ai. Over here, you will get to see this AI chat box right off the bat. Here, you can search for or ask any question that you want. You can also search for any tokens like this. And as you can see, all the information available is being displayed below. As an example, I will select Hero. And as you can see, the chart for this ETF has opened. Here, you can check out the chart in different time frames. And if you scroll down further, you will get to see all the updated details about this token or ETF. If you keep scrolling down further, you will see a lot more detail about this ETF, including ETF weighing and sectors. Then we have the profile and even the latest news about this ETF, which comes in handy because you can do all your research from this one platform. So now, let's go over to the top and click on this AI chat option. Then select Chat with Tia. This will open up the AI chat box. Here, you can start asking questions to get started. For example, I will ask it for advice for beginners. And as you can see, it started generating the answer right away. Just give it some time to get done. And since we're on the free plan, we only get 3 queries. So if you go with the 7 days trial for $1, you will get much higher limits. So as you can see, the answer is now ready and is being typed in right now. You can read through it and ask following questions about the same topic or keep discussing about anything that you want. And it will also give you the links to the sources or references that was used for the answer, which comes in handy if you want to verify any information or read further. Now, let's head over to the main dashboard. Once you're here, if you scroll down a bit, you will get to see this section that says AI Trading Strategies. Over here, you will get to see the best AI trading strategies available and click on any of them to check it out. After opening it, you will get to see the top picks using this strategy. You can check out the tokens displayed right here. And if you scroll down further, you will get to see the strategy performance metrics, which will look something like this. And on the right side, you can see the total return, annualized return, and one-day change. Further down, you can see the P&L for this strategy. And if you want to check out another strategy, just go back to the home screen and then select whichever one that you want. For example, Swing Max. So if we go over to this page, we will get to see the key stats for this strategy and also the stocks or tokens with the highest unrealized return. This way, you can go through them and make informed decisions for your trading. Now, let's head back to the home screen. So once you're here, you can check out other ones according to your requirements. So lastly, let's check out the day trading strategy. On this page, you will get to see the key stats for day trading signal. And further down, you have all the tokens or stocks that are best performing today. You can also check out the history section. So over here, you can just scroll through and check out all the different stocks. You can also sort them by using this filter, such as highest return, latest signals, and oldest signals. Now let's head back. So after the strategies, we have the Quant AI Alpha Pick. These are the AI-powered stock selection with proven track record. So essentially, it's doing the analysis for you. And after that, we have the Whales Auto Tracker. From here, you can check out different whales and track their trades. You can check out the institution ranking by day, week, month, or year. After that, we have the Conquest ranking. This is where you can track all the trades of politicians. You can also use the same filters if you want. Now, let's head back and check out the US stock market. This is where you will get all the information specifically about the US stock market. And at the very top, we have the market analysis. You can scroll through to check out more information and get the latest news about the US stock market. And also, you will get the market monitor that you can use to analyze the market in real time. Next up, we have hot stock. These are the stocks that are currently hot in the market. And over here, you will notice all the big names like Apple, Meta, Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft, etc. Next up, we have the market movers. This is where you will get to see all the stocks making big jumps up or down. So you can use all of these tools available and all the news mentioned here to get a better understanding of the current markets. On the crypto market section, you'll be able to get a glimpse of the current standing of the market. This one shows us a general market sentiment, and as you can see, it has a score of 66. Then we have the crypto movers. You can filter them through active, 24-hour gainers, and 24-hour losers. That way, and as you can see, we got the list for the 24-hour losers, which made big jumps on the negative side. And on the right side, you can click on Analysis, and it will give you an AI analysis on your chosen token. As you can see on the right side, it is giving us a detailed information about the current standing of this token. Same way, you can easily analyze any token or stocks. Going back to the home page, we then have the AI earnings prediction. This is where you can get predictions for different tokens, which are analyzed and predicted by AI. You can scroll through the page to check out different earnings analysis and other tokens that people are also watching. This way, even if you're not informed about any token, you will get to know what other people are looking at. So Intellectia basically has all the tools that you may need in order to analyze any stocks or crypto and make informed decision based on AI predictions and analysis. You will find many different helpful tools that you can use on your everyday trading. And that's it. This right here is the best AI trading software tool available right now.